Welcome! In front of me I have Withings Move watch, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. Before we start, if you want to check the serial number on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Withings Health Mate application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Withings Health Mate application on our phone. In the app, we can tap on devices, and here we should see our Withings Move. Let's wait until it's done synchronizing with the phone. Okay, once it is, we can tap on settings right here, and in the about section you should see the serial number of your watch right here. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.